Leaked memo reveals Anthropic CEO's plan to seek Gulf state investments amid ethical concerns. In the high-stakes world of artificial intelligence, do ethics have to take a backseat to survival? That's the uncomfortable question at the heart of a stunning revelation from Anthropic, a company founded on the very promise of building safe and responsible AI. A recently obtained internal Slack message from CEO Dario Amodei paints a picture of a company at a crossroads, revealing that Anthropic is now preparing to court investments from Gulf states like the United Arab Emirates and Qatar, a dramatic reversal of its previous stance. In a remarkably candid memo sent to his staff on a Sunday morning, Amodei grappled with the profound ethical trade-offs of this decision. He didn't mince words, openly acknowledging that accepting capital from Middle Eastern leaders would almost certainly enrich dictators. "This is a real downside and I'm not thrilled about it," he confessed. He then offered a starkly pragmatic view on the realities of the business world. "Unfortunately, I think no bad person should ever benefit from our success is a pretty difficult principle to run a business on. This pivot doesn't exist in a vacuum. The AI industry is currently in a frantic global arms race for capital. The sheer cost of training and operating the next generation of Anthropic seeks funding from UAE and Qatar. Latest AI developments. In a bold move that has caught the attention of the tech world, Anthropic is reportedly looking to secure funding from the United Arab Emirates and Qatar, as highlighted by Wired. This development raises intriguing questions about the future of artificial intelligence and the role of international investment in shaping its trajectory. However, before diving deeper into the implications of this funding pursuit, it's essential to understand the context surrounding it. Anthropic, a company focused on AI safety and research, is navigating a landscape where financial backing can significantly influence innovation and ethical considerations in technology. But here's where it gets controversial. The reliance on foreign funding, especially from regions with varying regulatory environments, can spark debates about the ethical implications of AI development. Are we comfortable with the idea of foreign entities having a stake in the technologies that could shape our future? This question is particularly pertinent as we consider the balance between innovation and ethical responsibility. Now, let's shift gears to a crucial disclaimer regarding the performance metrics often associated with investment strategies. The TipRanks Smart Score, for instance, is based on back-tested results, which means it reflects historical performance rather than guaranteeing future outcomes. It's important to note that back-tested performance is not a reliable predictor of actual results. These results are derived from applying a model to historical data, which is built on certain assumptions that may not hold true in real-world scenarios. For example, the model assumes that investors could have purchased the recommended securities and that the market conditions were favorable for trading. However, if these assumptions change, the back-tested returns could be significantly affected. This leads us to a critical point. Back-tested results are often adjusted to maximize past returns, which can create a misleading picture of actual performance. Moreover, since these results do not account for real trading conditions or the impact of economic factors, they may not accurately reflect the complexities of the market. The absence of executed trades means that the results could either underestimate or overestimate the effects of market dynamics, such as liquidity issues. Additionally, while back-tested results may include adjustments for dividends and other income, they typically do not account for transaction costs, management fees, or other expenses that could impact net returns. It's crucial for investors to be aware of these factors and to consider all regulatory requirements regarding fee presentations. In conclusion, as Anthropic seeks funding from the UAE and Qatar, it opens up a broader conversation about the implications of international investment in AI. Are we prepared to navigate the ethical complexities that come with such partnerships? What are your thoughts on the balance between innovation and ethical responsibility in technology? We invite you to share your opinion in the comments below.